YouTuber and influencer Ranveer Alabadia, who has reached the office of the crime branch in the Guwahati Police Commissionerate in Guwahati in connection with the case related to India's Got Latent. This is probably the first time after his statement that has also been recorded with the Maharashtra Cyber Cell, also with the NCW, and now we are looking at the cases that has also been booked against him and others who were said to be involved in that controversial YouTube program, which has now been removed from the social media platform as he is making an appearance there. This is Ranveer Alabadia's first appearance in person since the controversy. Statements that have now been recorded as well, Nilesh, on part of the Maharashtra Cyber Cell as well. We are looking at the NCW also taking cognizance, and now he is making an appearance before the Guwahati police.
Well, yes, this is a significant development given perspective that Ranveer Alabadia and his fellow friends were into controversy after that statement that was made by him. Earlier, the last month, we saw how Ranveer Alabadia and Ashish Chanslani, the fellow YouTuber, had reached out to Maharashtra Cyber Cell's office, which is in Navi Mumbai, and had recorded their statement for nearly 4 hours. And now this is a latest development coming in from Assam this time, wherein the YouTuber, the social media influencer, had reached to the crime branch officials to record his statement. Now remember, it was the Assam police which first had registered the FIR after receiving complaint regarding his statement that was made by Alabadia. Later on, multiple FIRs and cases were also registered. As you rightly mentioned, that NCW had also taken cognizance, and Alabadia had also reached out to the NCW recording the statement. However, one statement has been recorded, but the NCW suggests that soon he again will be summoned in order to record the statement further. But will he also be given another summons from the Guwahati or Assam police is also a thing to keep a look at for, because Maharashtra Cyber Cell is not ready to make Alabadia and fellow colleagues out in the open anytime soon, because multiple individuals have been summoned by the Maharashtra Cyber Cell as well.
So over this controversial program and with derogatory remarks that had also been made, there also came a rap from the Supreme Court itself. Now we are looking at the first picture's appearance that is now coming in of Ranveer Alabadia, where he is presenting himself before the Guwahati officials. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.